Very good morning, 7th class students. Today we shall continue with chapter number 2 of computer, that is number system, and today we will do conversion of decimal to binary again. And for example, we are having number 21, and for decimal I have told you in decimal we are having number from 0 to 9. So 21 lies between 0 to 9 because 2 lies between 0 to 9 and 1 also lies between 0 to 9. This will satisfy the condition that decimal number will contain the number 0 to 9, that is total base of decimal number system is 10, right? If we want to convert 21 into binary number system, so if we want to make the base of 21 into 2's, so we have to make 21 like this and we have to divide it with the 2. 2 ones are 2 and after this that means 21 जो है वो किस पे जाएगा, 21 will go on 10 on 2's table, the remainder will be 1 because we are having 21, right? After this we are having 10 on 2's table, 10 will be divided on 5, 2 5s are 10 and remainder will be 0 because no remainder is there. 2 2s are 4, we are having 1 as an remainder. After that 2 1s are 2, we are having nothing for as an remainder. So we will write from bottom to upside as an value, so that will be the conversion of decimal to binary, as I explained you in the class also. So we will do revision as well in today's class, okay? So nothing to worry about the conversion of decimal to binary, we will do more practice in today's class. Second, we are having binary to decimal number system. Binary number system are those number system which are based on machine number like 1001, all will be the part of binary number system, like 1001, 0010, they all will be binary number, and if we are having the base of these number 2, then that will be the part of binary. And if we want to convert it in the decimal number system, so that we want to make the base of this number in tens, right? डेसिमल में हमारे पास हम 2 के साथ डिवाइड करते थे, यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट नंबर इज़ 1, 1 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 2 की पोजीशन है 0 पे, 2 की मैंने आपको बताया था नंबर सिस्टम में एवरी नंबर विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द 0, सो वी विल हियर मल्टीप्लाई इन डेसिमल टू बाइनरी, वी विल divide, and in binary to decimal we will multiply with 2, right? First number पे we are having 1 and position of 1 is 2 zeros, and next is 0 and position of 0 is 1, base then the value of will be 0 will be of 1. Next is 1 and power of 1 will be 2 will be 2 because we are having this position in 0 1 2 3 4, these will be the position of numbers, right? After this we will write 0, the position of 0 is on third number, next is 1, that position is on fourth number, we will write like this. Here very important to understand this topic, how to multiply this number, right? If we multiply anything with 0, that will be, for example, 2 into 0, that will be 1, right? Note 0. And if we multiply 2 ones in 2 into 1s, so that will not be 1, that will not be 0 or 2, that will be 0, right? जो है इसका opposite आपका चलेगा, something will multiply with 0 will be 1, something will be multiply with 1 will be 0. This is also we are doing here. 2 into 0 is equal to 1 and 1 into 1 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 0 and after 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Next 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 2 2s are 4, how we will multiply 2 into 2 into 2, that will be the 3 times of 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 multiplied by 0 will be 0, right? Next we are having 2 raised to power 4, that means we have to multiply 2 4 times, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 1 is equal to 16, This will be the conversion of binary to decimal number system. After this multiplication, we have to add on these values, and we have to find out what will be the result of this value. The resulted value will be the answer of binary to decimal number system, and we will write 10 as the base of that particular number. Like here we are having 4, 16 and 1, total will be 21, the base will be 10, 10 means decimals. This will be the conversion of decimal number system, binary to decimal. In this chapter recap zone में हमने क्या करना है, नंबर सिस्टम इज़ अ वे टू रिप्रेजेंट नंबर्स यूजिंग सम यूनिक टेक्निक्स. नंबर सिस्टम क्या है, रिप्रेजेंट करता है उन नंबर्स को सिंबल्स के साथ. जैसे हमने कौन कौन से सिंबल्स यूज़ किए हैं, हमने वी हैव यूज्ड 10 फॉर डेसिमल, वी हैव यूज्ड 2 फॉर बाइनरी, वी हैव यूज्ड 16 फॉर हेक्साडेसिमल, राइट. And base of decimal number will be 10. That base will also be known as radix, right, as I have explained you in the chapter. Binary number system base will be base 2. Octal number system will have the base will be for 8, and hexadecimal number system will have the base of 16. With this your chapter number 2 is completed, and we will do the revision of all these conversion in the class, as well as we will also solve the back exercise of this chapter today. Thank you.